We have several types of audiences. You can write that one. We have the normal served audiences. That is created based on audience interest and demographics. And then we have the lookalike audiences. With the lookalike audiences, we create them from other audiences. For example, you've run a campaign, an awareness campaign, and then some people engaged with the campaign. So, or no, let me use a different example, a good one. So you ran a campaign, and then some people purchase. You have a list of people who purchase from you. So those audiences are called custom audiences. Then from the custom audiences, you can create the lookalike of the custom audiences. Like, for example, uko na list a lot of purchasers who purchase from you. Those are custom lists of your audiences. You can upload that list in Meta. After uploading, that is your list of custom audiences. And then from that list, you can create lookalike of those audiences so that Meta can target the people who look like those people who purchase from you. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so unaona ndio hizi. We have custom. Custom hata ndio imekuexplainia, helps you connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your business or product with custom audiences. You can create audiences from your customer contract, website traffic, or mobile app. And then we have lookalike. You can reach new people who are similar to your audiences you already care about, like your custom audiences. Unaona? And then we have the saved audiences. You save your commonly used targeting option for easy reuse. For example, choose from demographic interests or behaviors, then you save them in for future ads, just the way I told you before. So this is
Yes.
what the audiences are all about. When you click here, I will not proceed to create. I'll just show you how it looks like. So you can choose the location, maybe Kenya, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, depending with where your business wants to target. You cannot just target everyone. No, like you can get companies, like especially we are in the UAE, companies telling you, now I want you to target the UAE, Saudi, Bahrain, Qatar, for people who are interested with my product, if you can be able to deliver up to them. And then we have uni location. And then you can add the minimum age of your audiences. You look at what you're selling and you can determine what audiences relate very well with the product you're selling. And then you can add the languages of your audience. It can be English, Arabic, all languages are here. You can just search and find out. But and then you can choose to include custom audiences, age is here, gender, detailed targeting. Maybe you want to target fitness enthusiasts. You know the good thing about it is what, Pascaline? When you search here, it will tell you, sijui kama unaona screen yangu.
Yeah, naona.
No, where is this widget? Yeah, just a moment. Yeah, when you do fitness, you'll see. Yeah, fitness.
Okay. Yeah.
Fitness, or people who own Honda vehicles. Hapo. You see, you
Yeah.
can be able, now this is what we call interest targeting, demographic targeting. You're trying just to guess what your audiences could be, and then you save them with a name for future reuse. Yes. And then the lookalike ni hawa. You just click the lookalike, itakufungulia your interface and you'll add the source. Yes. And then you'll save. Lookalike, as I've told you, they are created from custom audiences.
Yeah.
You understand? Yes.
Yeah.
And then custom audiences here, this is giving you an opportunity to add audience. Your sources could be a website, app activity, customer list. In here, you upload the list, offline activity, video, the people who engage with the video, the people who fill the lead form, instant experience, shopping, like all these lists. Or you can even add custom audiences with your Facebook followers. Yeah.
Mm.
So, custom audiences is people who already know you and interacted with you. So, you just
Mm.
want to create a lookalike of them. By the way, we only have those 3 types of audiences. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And I will end it there.
Good, 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 good.
Yes.
So far, so